Part 11 of our Indian Constitution. This Part 11 of our Indian Constitution deals about the center-state relations between the union and state, center-state relations. They are classified into legislative relations, administrative relations, and financial relations. So, Chapter 1 deals about the legislative relations between the center and states. So, Article 245 to Article 243 to Article 255 deals about the legislative relations between the union and state. Legislative relations. What kind of legislative relations according to Constitution recognized? So, union government is having right to amend, to frame laws. So issues are classified into central list, state list, and union list, and residuary powers. So according to Constitution, union government can make laws on state list items. So union government is having such authority according to Constitution. Certain circumstances that can make laws on the state list items. So union legislature can amend, can make any laws on the state list items with request of the more states recommendation for the betterment of the international relations or for the purpose of the country development. In this purpose, union government can make laws on the particular items. So Article 2, Chapter 1, legislative relations. Article 245 to Article 255 deals about the legislative relations between the union and state. Article 245, extent of laws made by the parliament, by the legislature of states. The extent of laws, whatever law made by the state governments, central government, union legislature can extend laws according to Constitution, extent of laws through Parliament Act. So Article 246, subject matter of laws made by Parliament, by the legislature of states. For the request of the more than 4 states, union legislature can make laws. Union legislature can make laws. Union legislature can make laws for the request of the more than 5 states or 4 states subject matter of laws. Article 247, power of parliament to provide for the establishment of certain additional courts. Power of parliament to establishment of certain additional courts in the states, high court benches, additional courts. Is there any possibility to establishment according to Parliament acts? There is possible to establishment. So according to Article 247. Article 248. Residuary powers of legislation. Residuary powers. So central list, state list, and concurrent list, and residuary powers. Union Parliament is having full authority to make laws on residuary items. Whatever issues relating to the residuary, union legislature can make laws on these residuary items issues. And Article 249, power of Parliament to legislate with respect a matter in the state list in the national interest. Whatever issue relating to the national interest according to Article 249, union legislature can make laws on these issues. National interest based laws made by the union parliament according to Article 249. Article 250, power of parliament to legislate with respect to any matter in the state list of a proclamation of emergency. Emergency is in operation. Article 250, power of Parliament to legislate with respect to any matter in the state list if a proclamation of emergency is in operation. So in an emergency period, in case Article 352 declared by the President of India, Article 360 may be declared by the President of India, Article 356 may be declared by the President of India. In this moment, Union Parliament is having authority to make laws on the state list items. So emergency period, Union Parliament can make laws on this particular items. And Article 251, inconsistency between laws made by Parliament under Articles 249 and 250 and laws made by the legislature of states. Inconsistency between laws made by the Parliament under Article 249 and 250 based on national interest, and 250 and emergency period. Laws made by the legislature of states on the basis of the legislature of states. So which is relating to state legislature, that also can be made laws for the betterment of for administrative convenience of the states, laws made by the Union Parliament. Article 252, power of Parliament to legislate for two or more states by consent and adoption of such legislation by any other state. Power of Parliament can legislate by the consent of the states, by the request of the two or more states, convenient purpose of the states. Union Parliament can make laws on these particular issues. And Article 253, legislation for giving effect to international agreements. Legislation for giving effect to international agreements. So which is going to develop, which is based on international peace and cooperation, international development, that laws made by the Union government through Union legislature. And Article 254 of our Indian Constitution, inconsistency between laws made by Parliament and laws made by the legislature of states. Inconsistency between laws made by the Parliament and laws made by the legislature of states. Whatever law made by the state legislature, on behalf of state legislature, Union Parliament can make laws. Article 255, requirements as to recommendations and provisions, sanctions to be regarded as the matter of procedure only. These are going to be made laws by the Union Parliament according to Constitution in this chapter 1.